This is really spacious and huge living area, I must say. Kitchenette area is also quite spacious. Master bedroom, as the name says, it's quite. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ranjita and today we are here at Vivare by Raheja, located at Koramangala. We will let you know a lot in detail about this project, but before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first largest real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing companies, whereby you do an inquiry, your number will be passed on to multiple brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. But Housey is one such platform where listing is done directly by the developers. So you can book your dream home directly with the developers through Housey. Today we are here at Vivare by Raheja, which is located at Koramangala and which is spread across 8 acres, each consisting of 11 towers and with 2 basement, ground and 10 floors each, available in 3, 3.5, 4 and 5 BHK variants. So now let us have a look at the amenities. As you can see, this is spread across really luscious green space, and it also has lady spa, gym, there's a yoga room or an aerobics room, there's a very nice huge swimming pool, multi-purpose courts, basketball court, table tennis court, and it has a pretty spacious walking space, I must say. You can just bring your kids to the kids play area, which is really spacious and nice. And as we continue to go further, it has a really good spacious amenities that they are providing, and they're providing 60 plus amenities. And also there's a very spacious and huge clubhouse, and this is the ramp that you're seeing right here is the entry space to the tower. And this is how it looks. This is really beautiful and covered with a lot of greenery, I must say. And talking about the connectivities, the BTM layout, HSR, and Outer Ring Road is just 15 minutes. Silk Board is just 12 minutes. All of our shopping favorite place, that is Nexus, is also very nearby to this place as it is located in Koramangala. Right now we are standing outside 5 BHK sample flat of Raheja by Vivare, which is of 4487 square feet. Come, let us have a look at the flat. Wow. As soon as we enter, there is a very spacious, huge foyer area that we all can witness already, and it's quite spacious, I must say. And as soon as we enter, wow, this is really spacious and huge living area, I must say. As you all can see, it's a beautiful and spacious living area that we all can witness, and this is in Koramangala, if I've forgotten to mention. And this living area also has an attached balcony. Come, let us have a look at the attached balcony. So this is the attached balcony of the living area. It is perfect for your spend time with your family in the evening. As you can see, it's wooden flooring balcony area, and it's quite spacious, and it is taking me a while to walk back from one corner to another corner of balcony. So now let us have a look at what else Raheja by Vivare has to offer to us. So right now, continue to the living area. Let's now have a look at the kitchenette area. So as you can see, it is taking me a little while to travel from living area to the kitchenette area. So welcome you to the kitchenette area. The kitchenette area is also quite spacious and beautiful. As you can see, it's quite spacious, and I'm easily able to walk around both the corners. And also there is an attached utility area that's right here, attached to the kitchenette area. And continue to the utility area, we have a maiden room that's right here, and an attached washroom to the maiden room, and this is the maiden's room. Now, let us have a look at the bedrooms. As you follow me and as we exit the kitchenette area, there is also something that I forgot to mention, that there is a storeroom that's right here attached to the kitchen area. It is very spacious and quite spacious, I must say, to accommodate all your storage things right here. Now, let us have a look at the bedroom. As we continue to go towards the bedroom, I can already see the bedroom number 1. I welcome you all to the bedroom number 1, and it's quite spacious and huge. And I have told you, right, this is a 5 BHK sample flat, and every room and every corner of this space is quite spacious, I must say. There is also a balcony that's attached to the bedroom number 1, and it's a wooden floored balcony, and it is also quite spacious and gives me a really good view, I must say. So now let us have a look at bedroom number 2. As we continue to exit the bedroom number 1, now let us have a look at the bedroom number 2. But wait, there is a walk-in wardrobe that's right here, which is quite spacious and every woman's dream. And also there's an attached washroom to the bedroom number 1, which has high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. So now let us have a look at the bedroom number 2. So as we continue to go further, we will have a look at bedroom number 2. But before that, there is a common attached washroom right here to the common area. And this is also high-end fittings and anti-skid tiles, and every corner of this house is very spacious, I must say. Now let us have a look at the bedroom number 2. So as we enter the bedroom number 2, it is quite spacious and huge, I must say. And there's this little lounge space that's right here, which is giving me a nice view and nice space in the evening to chill around. And as we continue to go further, you can easily see you can accommodate your king size bed here with a small couch, and as per your preference, you can plan and design this house. And second bedroom also has walk-in wardrobe, which is a really nice thing. And also there's an attached washroom to the bedroom number 2, which leads from the wardrobe space or the walk-in closet with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. Now let us have a look at bedroom number 3. As we continue to go further via the living area, we get bedroom number 3, also called as the guest bedroom. So as we continue to go here, we have pretty spacious and nice, good looking bedroom number 3, I must say. Very spacious, and it also has balcony space that's right here, which is perfect for your morning coffees and evening chais. The balcony has wooden flooring and it's quite spacious, and here as well I can see there's an attached balcony of living area, and bedroom number 5 very spacious. So as we continue to go further, we also have walk-in closet that's right here, walk-in wardrobe. It is also pretty spacious, and also there's an attached washroom that's right there with high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. So now we had a look at the bedroom number 3, and as I told you, it's a 5 BHK sample flat, and it is taking me a little while to show you the whole space because it's quite spacious. So now let's have a look at the bedroom number 4. As we continue to go from bedroom number 3 to bedroom number 4, it is going via the living space, as you all can see, and also through the bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2 that we saw. So there is also a space that's right here you can use as the lounging space or the TV unit space. You can accommodate your couch here. This is really perfect for your family time, and it's quite spacious. As you can see, it is taking me a little while. And also there's an attached balcony here as well to this space. Let me open this for you. So this is the balcony area. It has wooden flooring again and a really good view, I must say. This looks really good. That's right here. Here also there is this pretty spacious balcony. As you can see, it is taking me a little while to walk around, and it has wooden flooring. So now let us have a look at the bedroom number 4. So let me take you to the bedroom number 4. The TV unit space that you see right here, or the lounging space as per your preference, we have bedroom number 4 right here. Wow, this is also very spacious and very beautiful, I must say. And also the balcony that you're seeing right here, it is connected to it is connected to the lounge space that we saw there. and the balcony is also pretty spacious from there, and it has wooden flooring. And also there is an attached wardrobe space and also the washroom, and this wardrobe space is also pretty spacious and huge, I must say. And also there's an attached washroom to the bedroom number 4, which has iron sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. So now let us have a look at the bedroom number 5, that is the master bedroom. As we continue to exit the bedroom number 4, this leads to the finally 5 BHK's fifth bedroom, that is the master bedroom. Come now, let's have a look at the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what actually Housey does for you. In Housey, we give you sample flat tours. In Housey, we give you exact location tours. In Housey, we will let you know pros and cons of each project. In Housey, we will give you full price inclusive of EMI and down payment. Last but not the least, we give you 360-degree virtual tour of the project. If after all this, if you would like to book your free site visit today, then what are you waiting for? Simply by 3 clicks, by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below, you can book your free site visit today. So what are you waiting for? Go book your free site visit today. So let's have a look at the master bedroom. Wow, master bedroom, as the name says, it's quite spacious and quite huge and quite beautiful, I must say. Very spacious, as you can see me walking around the space very freely. And also there is an attached balcony that's right here. Yeah. There's an attached balcony to the master bedroom. It has wooden flooring, which is really nice and gives the very luxurious feeling. And also it has a really good view and quite spacious, I must say. So now let's have a look at the walk-in wardrobe or a walk-in closet and attached washroom of master bedroom. So as we continue to go further, we have a pretty spacious walk-in wardrobe that's right here. It can easily accommodate all your luxury bags, luxury items or accessories that is required, and as per your needs you can design this space because it's quite versatile, I must say. And there's a common washroom or an attached washroom to the master bedroom, which has high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles, and all rooms along with washrooms is quite spacious in this house. So this was the sample flat of 5 BHK located at Koramangala by Viveria by Raheja. So if at all you would like to book your free site visit, then go register yourselves on housey.com. And if you would like to book your free site visit, then simply by clicking on the link you can book your free site visit today. Also, you can download the e-brochure of this project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more details and project updates located in Koramangala as well as across Bengaluru. Thank you. Hey Housey family, what do you think about this location? Would you recommend purchasing a house to your family or friends here? Let us know in the comment section below, which will help us understand to cover more projects around this location.
So everyone, this was 5 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Vivera located in Koramangala by Raheja.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.